whose success story had begun in 2007, is now one of the prestigious and trusted manufacturers of pressure vessels in the globe. Today, group that is known for its high quality and reliability, design and manufactures pressurized transportation and storage tanks for LPG, ammonium, compressed air applications for more than 30 countries at its new and modern 21,000 square meter facility. Doğan Yildiz and Petrogas, who combines its knowledge and experience with a trained manpower and sense of high quality, controls 20% of the Turkish market and exports 80% of its products. The group secures its position in the supplier list of the most prestigious organizations in the global market and energy field by customer-oriented approach, continuous improvement of production quality, and having certificates from worldwide inspection authorities. The group had become one of Turkey's leader manufacturers by the investments made to advance welding automations, cutters, shapers, besides surface preparation and wet paint application facilities. With Petrogas Inc., the group that was named as one of the top 1,000 exporters of Turkey and one of the top 100 exporters of Turkish automotive industry in 2015 and 2016, continues and will continue to add value to the Turkish economy by generating employment and exporting products. With the conscious awareness that the products we sell are still part of our brand name, we offer reliable after-sales services, remote help, constant technical support, system updates, and improvements throughout the life cycles of our products. Doğan Yildiz Group embraces an innovation-oriented view and keeps moving forward on its path to being one of the global brands. R&D and innovation are of the priorities of both Doğan Yildiz Group and the stakeholders. In this sense, Doğan Yildiz Group increases its innovation and R&D investments every day, and thus responds to market needs successfully in the highest quality and competitiveness. Due to the high demand for our products, we established a branch in Russia and aim to enable more effective sales and after-sales services for our products in the Russian Federation and customs union countries such as Kazakhstan, Belarus, and Kyrgyzstan. Now we offer super light trailers with the highest capacity and security with tailor-made custom designs to fit in every local road transport regulations. As Turkey joined the ADR convention in 2010, Doğan Yildiz Group began to work on the semi-trailer and superstructures that are in line with ADR regulation and became one of the first firms to complete Turkish Standards Institution certification process for LPG transportation tanks with ADR license. Within the framework of the protocol, which was signed between the Turkish Ministry of Transport, the Turkish Standards Institution, and Maritime Affairs and Communications, Doğan Yildiz Group became Vehicle and ADR Superstructure Inspection Center. The group prepares for the future by preserving the available for sustainable and profitable growth, developing new opportunities by understanding ever-changing needs, and moving forward with a strong corporate structure, taking power from its past and its team members. We, as Doğan Yildiz Group, will continue to be a global brand in the energy industry by offering boutique, innovative, affordable, high-quality solutions with a mission of honesty, modesty, service, respect, and excellence.